Okay, I got that, and I'm not sure if that fish looks as big on camera, but I'd say, I don't know. So what is very important to me is the health of this fish. We'll get a good release on him. And there he goes. Oh, I got him. Probably not quite 2. High 1 pounder. Look at that. He's really pretty. I've noticed every fish is super healthy out of here. See you later, bud. Absolutely beautiful. There he goes. Got one. I wasn't recording, but we've got one on. Look at that. Feels really good to know you can actually save them like that. Oh, he's a tiny guy. Smallest bass of the day. Still absolutely beautiful though. What a little chunker. So fat. Alright, see ya, bud. He's tiny, but he's a fish. Real chunk. Get him back. Quick and easy. Ugh, right in my face. Oh, what a fish. Oh, dang. I don't even know. Not bad. Getting bigger again. All right, let's keep fishing.